Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Meta Pixel events for affiliate funnel optimization, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Meta Business Suite. Navigate to the Events Manager section. Locate your pixel under the Data Sources menu. Click on the pixel to open its details. Review the current event settings to identify any missing or incorrect events. To restore an event, click on the Add Event button. Select the event type you want to restore. For standard events, choose from the list provided, such as Add to Cart or Purchase. If you need a custom event, select Custom Event and input the necessary parameters. After selecting the event type, ensure that you configure the event correctly with all required parameters. Next, go to the Manage Events tab. Check if any events are labeled as inactive or improperly configured. If you spot any issues, click on the event to edit its details. Adjust the configuration as needed to ensure proper tracking. Next, you'll want to implement the pixel code on your website. Copy the pixel base code from the Events Manager. Paste the code into the header of your website. If you're using a website builder, look for the appropriate section to insert header codes. After placing the pixel code, test it to ensure it's firing correctly. Use the MetaPixel Helper Chrome extension to verify successful event tracking. If the events are firing correctly, proceed to analyze your data. Monitor your event performance in the Meta Events Manager. Optimize your affiliate funnel by reviewing event data related to conversions. Make any necessary adjustments to your marketing strategy based on this data. Regularly check your pixel events to ensure they are functioning as expected. This will help maximize your affiliate marketing efforts and improve conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.